little kitty, don't you jump today. There's a magic drink called water that shows us the way. Our bodies are a garden with water deep inside. Every sip we take keeps our happy hearts alive. Water, water, flowing like a song, helps us grow and learn all day long. Drink it slowly, sip by sip, feel the magic, let it live. When you run and play, or even when you breathe, tiny drops slip away like leaves upon the breeze. Thirsty tummy or a mouth so dry, whispers drink some water, give it a try. Water, water, so soft and clear, filling us with sunshine, bringing us cheer. Sip it slowly, let it flow, making all our garden grow. It's nature's lovely secret, hidden in each cup. Water wakes our sleepy cells and helps us grow up. Balance is the magic train, a gentle steady tune. Water makes our bodies dance beneath the smile.